Here's what happens when you replace your drinks with water for 1 month. When it comes to consuming beverages, a lot of us are completely spoiled with luxury teas, coffees, sodas, and sports drinks. But as we all know, these types of drinks are not the healthiest for us. Water, on the other hand, is a liquid that we know is good for our health, yet we do not drink it nearly as often as other liquids. This is primarily because water can be bland, while a lot of other options are a lot easier. However, if you can stomach it, water is incredibly beneficial to your body as it keeps you hydrated. It flushes out toxins, reduces ailment risks, and increases your metabolic rate. Here is what happens if you choose to drink nothing but water for a month. 1. You will experience cognitive benefits. Your brain cells require more energy to work than other cells in your body, and these cells get this energy from water. When you are well hydrated, you will think better and focus easier. 2. You will remove waste buildup from your body. Not only does water aid your cells in getting proper nutrition, but it also helps flush out the body by keeping the kidney in working order. If you cannot flush out the toxins, you will have these build up, causing rapid onset of health problems. 3. You stabilize your kidney function. There is a link between having decreased kidney function and a lower metabolic rate. When the kidney cannot function properly, it cannot get rid of toxins from your body, thereby making the liver take over the process. If the liver is releasing the toxins, it isn't metabolizing stored fats, which lead to obesity and weight gain. 4. Your hair and skin will thank you. Your skin and hair cells require water to function because it keeps them hydrated. Proper hydration will leave your hair feeling stronger and thicker, and your skin will feel smooth and fresh. When you don't drink enough water, your skin will get tight and flaky, which can lead to wrinkles. 5. You will lose weight and lower your risk for certain diseases. After you have consumed nothing but water as your main beverage for 9 days, you will end up losing the same number of calories as if you had jogged for 8 kilometers a day. This is why you end up losing weight when you substitute in just water. You also lower your risk for hypertension, bowel cancer, and bladder conditions as your organs function better. To put this in perspective, 5 glasses of water a day lowers your risk of heart attack by 40%. Beyond this, you will end up saving a lot of money, as drinking water from your home tap is free, and if you would prefer to buy water, it's a lot cheaper than other kinds of beverages. The only thing to keep in mind is that you can overhydrate, and you will need to get a reusable water bottle, just simply because the environment will thank you.